Hi, this video is to guide you how to use our cloud report. First, we log in the cloud report. After login, you can see our dashboard have many type of charts provide to you. We can go to transaction to see the summary sales. Here we can filter the sales by date. We also can filter by stores. Here you can see all the detail of your sales transaction. You also can export it to Excel file. Next, we can see the transaction with payment. Here you can see all transaction with payment detail. Moreover, we also have sales with pattern. You can see here we provide a line chart and sales detail at bottom for you. Let you know more about your sales status. Here we have many options to filter to meet your requirements. Furthermore, you also can see the sales report with product. We list all the detail of your product in this report. Then we have payment summary. Here we'll list down the payment method of your sales. Last, our cloud dashboard also allow you to add user. You can set user access control for your user. Thanks for watching.